Good morning, dear children. In previous two classes, we all had learned about capacity, its conversion, and different operations of capacity. Children, today in this class, we will apply our knowledge in solving different sums. So today I have taken few questions from page number 78 of your maths book. Children, first of all, we will read the problem nicely and understand what are the things given and what we have to find out. So let us start with problem number 1. Children, here first problem is Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 ml of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle? Children, first of all, let us see what are the things given. First thing is given water bottle that contains 1 liter of water. Second thing, Aminas drank 250 ml of water from this bottle and Govind also drank 150 ml of water from this bottle. Means how much water was used. This is not asked, but what is asked? Water is left in her bottle. How much water is left in her bottle? So first of all, what you will do? You will add these two numbers. So we will add this 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, carry over 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 400 ml of water is used. Okay, from this 1 liter of water bottle. How much water is left? What we will do? We will subtract 400 ml from 1 liter. Children, we cannot subtract 400 ml from 1 liter because here you can see there are two different units. So what we will do first? I will convert this liter in milliliter. As you all know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now we can subtract 400 milliliter easily. When we have subtracted 400 from 1000, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 10 minus 4, 600 ml of water left in the bottle. Children, hope you all have understood. Now let us see second question. Children, second question is Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? Now let us see what are the things given. You know that 20 ml of milk is used for making 1 glass of tea. And total glasses are 100. Now you have to tell how much milk did he use. So children, you all know for making 1 glass of tea he uses 20 ml of milk. So for making 100 glasses of tea he will use more milk. So what you will do? Yes, you will multiply. So 20 multiplied by 100. Okay. 2 ones are 2 and 3 zeros. So 2000 milliliter of milk is used for making 100 glasses of tea. Children, you can convert this to 100,000 milliliter in liter. To convert milliliter in liter, what you will do? You will divide the number by 1000. 3 zeros cancelled by this 3 0. Now when you will divide 2 by 1, it will come 2. It means he uses 2 liter of milk for making 100 glasses of tea. Children, hope you all have understood this problem. Now let us see question number 3. Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliters of medicine does she have to take every morning? Now children, let us see what is given. You know that a bottle contains medicine and its capacity is 200 ml, right? And this 200 ml of medicine used for 10 days. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days. Children, means you are dividing this much of medicine equally for 10 days. It's obvious that which operation you will apply here? Division. So simply divide 200 by 10. One's place has 0, one's place has 0, cancel. What is left? 20 is left. So it means grandma uses 20 ml of medicine every day. Children, hope you all have understood all these 3 word problems. So please do practice of this type of sums and build your concept. Children, first of all, you read the questions carefully, then find out what are the things given in the problem and what are the things you have to find out. Then only you can be able to solve the questions. Okay, thank you and have a good day.